How to check your network connection. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can check your net connection. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is you'll actually need to head over to the search bar and search for network connection. So you'll find view network connections, tap on it. After you tap on it, you'll get all the ports or all the interface where you can have your internet or your network connected. So right here you will see I'm connected to my Wi-Fi right now. If I tap on it, it will give me the information. As you can see, I have just been connected. I am connected and it's just giving me its quality of the speed and everything else. So if you're connected to your Ethernet, it will also show you your Ethernet's connection right here, so you can tap on it and view its connection as well. And that's basically how you can view your network connection. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.